Question number 12. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, this is the formula. You see the question, withdrawal on February 1st. So, withdrawal on February 1st. How much he is withdrawing on February 1st? 2000 rupees. What is the rate of interest? 6%. 6 by 100. Okay. Now, February 1st he is withdrawing. First thing what you have to do before calculating, you have to find the accounting period. When it is starting? It is starting on January 1st and it is ending on December 31st. Okay. It's clearly given the ending date is 31st December. So, he is withdrawing on February 1st. So, 1st of February. So, you take February also. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, how many months from February 1st to December 31st? How many months are there? 11 months are there. So, he has to give interest for how many months? 11 months. 11 by 12. Understood, children? February 1st till December. So, from February to December, how many months are there? 11 months are there. So, you calculate. So, that will give you rupees 110. Next, withdrawal on May 1st. May 1, how much rupees is withdrawing? 10,000. Rate of interest 6%, 6 by 100. Again, you calculate now. How many months? From May you calculate May 1st. So, May to December you calculate May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, how many months are there? 8 months. So, 8 by 12. That will give you 400. Next, withdrawal on July. July 1st. How much is withdrawing? 4,000. Into 6 by 100. Now again calculate from July. July to December. July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 6 months. So, 6 by 12. So, that will give you 120. Okay. Next, withdrawal on October 1st. How much rupees? October 6,000. 6,000, 6%, 6 by 100. Again, October to December. October, November, December. Okay, 3 months. 3 by 12. That will give you 90. So, now add all this. What is the total? 720 rupees. That is the total interest on drawings. Okay, children, understood? So, we will do question number 13. I will read the question, children, for you. Watch the screen, understand the sum, then we will move to the sum. Okay. Kumar is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he withdrew as follows. March 1 4,000, June 1 4,000, September 1 4,000, December 1 4,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawing. Okay. Already I told you the formula for calculating interest on drawings. You have to take the amount of drawings into the rate of return, into the rate of interest into the period of interest. Okay. So first write the formula. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay. Now withdrawal on March 1. March 1, how much is withdrawing? 4,000 rupees into rate is 6%, 6 by 100 into, now you calculate. So from March 1 is withdrawing. So before calculating, first thing you have to see the question, find out the accounting period when it is closing. See what is given in the question, it is given as 31st December. So it is understood that accounting period starts from January 1st and ends on 31st December. So from March 1 you calculate, take March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So how many months? For 10 months. Okay. So into 10 by 12. That will give you 200 rupees. Next, withdrawal on June 1. June 1. Again June 1 also is withdrawing 4,000. Rate of interest 6%, 6 by 100. Now calculate from June to December. You calculate June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 7 months. So 7 by 12. That will give you rupees 140. Okay. Next, withdrawal on September 1. Again is drawing 4,000, 6 by 100, 6% into, now calculate now, September to December, September, October, November, December. So how many months? 4 months into 4 by 12. That will give you 80 rupees. Okay. Next, withdrawal on December 1, 4,000 into 6 by 100 into, this is December. So only 1 month. Okay, December 31st it is closing. So how many days he has to pay? He has to pay only for 1 month. Okay, so 1 by 12. So that will give you rupees 20. So now add everything. 440 rupees. What is this? This is interest on, total interest on drawings. Okay, children. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.